Hello, it's Bennett and Jillian. We would just like to take a minute and tell you about how our Bowling for Books fundraising event went a few weeks ago, and we're also going to announce the winner of our door prizes.
It was an amazing success. We had almost 90 bowlers, collected over 1,500 books, and raised over $4,000. And it seemed like everyone had a lot of fun too.
All right, so before we get to the winners, just a quick second to thank all of our supporters and sponsors for making this a great event. We had Joy Wright from King Philip Middle School, Shannon Majinski from Aiken Elementary School, the Miali team, Memento Works, Small State Provisions, Congregation Beth Israel, Rotary Club of West Hartford, and of course, Lessard Lanes. So Jillian, what do we have for prizes?
First, Ed Sutton wins the highest pin total for the adults with an amazing 367 pins. He receives a $50 Barnes & Noble gift card.
All right. Lots of good stuff you can buy with that.
And Gwen O'Brien wins the kids prize with an even 200 pin total. She gets the Harry Potter gift set. And finally, the Enthusiasm Award went to the King Philip Garnet Team teachers. Each teacher receives a $25 Barnes & Noble gift card. Thanks to all the teachers that came out to bowl with us.
All right, thank you very much, and we'll have an update with the final totals and where all the books will be going. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.
Bye.